Updates what the Spear LT 556 trigger looks like. Going to put this, guys, the single stage, not that one, another one, but so it says rapid fire from Brownells. So I imagine single stage with a curved trigger. Down the trigger. Weapon's already been clear. Standard guys, the AR-15 trigger works, and this is just an FN M16 lower. Once again, here's the SIG MCX. I use the same pins from the SIG, which aren't fitted very tight. I might put some anti-walk pins, but that's what we have so far. Put maybe like 60 rounds through it. Ran pretty good. It wasn't getting bolt lock back for the first few mags, but just so they cleared up.